In this video with the AnKing, I'm excited to show you one of my favorite medical school resources I've been using recently, Physeo. One of the things I love about them is they have a little bit of everything. They've got the videos, they've got textbooks if you'd rather read, they've got visual memory palaces where things are extra hard to remember, they've got practice questions, and of course my favorite, they have Anki cards, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. They are new and updated, and they've done a really good job with it. And everybody always wants to know, what's the cost? One of the coolest things here, Physeo is free to watch. You can watch their videos for free. These guys are actually medical students from the same school as us, and they understand our situation, so they've made this. And they have a premium model, which will give you even more features, which are awesome. That includes the textbook, the question and answers, the Anki cards I'm going to show you in a second, audio if you'd rather listen rather than watch, and the full sketch when they have pictures of things. You can look at all of the images together. I'll show you that as well. Check the description of this video for a 10% off code of that premium subscription. So here we go. I'm going to show you my favorite parts. Okay, so here's the dashboard when you log into Physeo. First thing you'll notice is the latest news here. They are constantly updating things. They are pretty comprehensive when it comes to the physiology, micro, and pharmacology stuff, and they are working on the pathology stuff, so they're doing a great job trying to get everything all in one place. And, of course, my favorite part here, they just recently updated all the Anki decks, and they are awesome. So I'm going to show you those. But first, I've already uploaded or clicked on this, so I'm going to open this here. Here's what they look like, and like I said, if you have the free, you can just watch the video. If you get the premium, you can do all this other stuff. Here's the textbooks, the Anki cards, audio, as well as this is one of the memory palaces, and if you want to go review the whole image, you can click on that. Just to give you an example, here's kind of what the textbooks look like. They're put together very well. And then here's an example of what it looks like with the full image, and you can hover over things. You can also hover down here, and it will show you those. So lots of cool things. This one doesn't have question and answers, but if I opened a biochemistry one here as well, which I've been using, these videos are awesome. They have a question bank for you, and if you click on those, then you've got practice questions to work with. So lots of really, really good stuff. And of course, I want to highlight the Anki decks. These are really cool. I've already downloaded the Anki decks for these first 4 videos, along with some from the biochemistry section and a different section as well, just to show you how they all incorporate together. So the idea is you'd watch this video and then click on that Anki deck and download it. And so I've downloaded those, and I want to show you what happens when you do a new one. So you don't have to do these in order. You can do them completely out of order. And I went and downloaded C. diff, because who doesn't like C. diff? So I already downloaded that, and that is here on my computer right here. And I'm going to click and open that. As you can see, I've got microbiology here, and those are those first 4 videos, like I said, along with some other ones that I've downloaded. And you can see exactly which videos they are. They're very organized, which is super cool. So I'm going to open C. diff. We'll do that. It's going to import 19 cards. And one of the things that they've done a really good job is they don't overload you with flashcards. They really just highlight the most important things. And so it puts that right in here. Adds a new section under microbiology. Under bacteria. So just like it is here, you can see there's a new section, and it adds it in with section 3. So very, very organized. And their cards are actually really good looking too. They've done a really good job with that. You can see they've got different colors, they've got a nice background, and they add the images in with everything. On these ones with the memory palaces, they actually explain to you what it is, which I think is really nice. I don't know of any other Anki deck out there that's doing that currently. So they have really, really well designed flashcards. And I'll just show you a couple of the other ones too. Even on the ones that don't have the memory palaces, they put in images for things like this is tuberculosis to kind of show you how that works. A bunch of extra images to keep things good. So very well made flashcards. And the thing I love about it is that the workflow is just awesome. You click on this, or you import it here, and then you do those flashcards. You can stay on top of things. There's not too many of them, and they're very organized so that you can do it by that. So the other things that Physeo has is they also have podcasts you can go listen to. We're actually going to be featured on that pretty soon. And scroll all the way to the bottom here. They also have a blog with lots of other cool stuff. So they have some really, really cool stuff. Like I said, I personally have been using them, and I definitely recommend them. One of the coolest things is that the Anki decks on Reddit and stuff made by other people are not necessarily being updated, but because this is through Physeo, they're going to make sure if things change, like for example, the treatment for C. diff has recently changed from metronidazole to oral vancomycin. That was just in the last few years, and they would catch that and be able to update stuff for you. you. So check out their podcast, their blog, their Instagram, all that other stuff, and check out the description for a 10% off code, the premium, so you can get access to these awesome Anki decks. Best of luck, everyone. Thanks for learning with the AnKing. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here, as well as follow us on Facebook, Instagram, or Patreon. That is at AnKingMed. Also, feel free to reach out via email or check out our website, ankingmed.com, for more tips and tricks.